Hey everyone, welcome back to the Life Afloat channel with Tom and Susan. Today we're cracking open something I've been looking forward to. The JetWorks complete JLAUDIO sound system upgrade for 2025 Seadoo RX-TX. So let's get the cutting this baby open. We'll see what's inside. This is the JetWorks complete JLAUDIO sound system upgrade for the Seadoo. So this is the unboxing of it. See what's in it. We get packing, JetWorks sticker, some more JetWorks stickers. So that's two more. Here we have the amplifier, the MX280 4-channel. And on the power ratings, we're going to be using this as a bridged 2-channel to 2-channel to 2 speakers mono. 10-gauge amplifier kit. This is going to be the power cable for the amplifier, as it's going to draw a lot more power than the stock wiring is set up for. So we've got that part there. A couple sets of RCA cables in case you want to do the 4-speaker setup. Seadoo speaker plugs. Okay, this is going to be the adapters for the speakers to interface with the stock harness for the new speakers. The Seadoo audio interface harness that will allow this to connect it correctly to use all the hand controls on the handlebars. And what is this? Speaker wire, speaker hardware. Okay, these are the adapter rings. Let the new speakers fit on the stock speaker pods. Okay, Seadoo upgrade kit. Here's the instructions. And here, let's get this out. Shake everything all over the place. Okay, here are the speakers. Pull these suckers out, see what they look like. I'm not good at talking, am I? Okay. One of these up. Heavy. Feels pretty heavy. Big magnet. The grill. Lighting. I don't think I'll be hooking up the lighting. Pretty cool though. Pretty cool. Okay, I guess that's it for now.